Hi home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making easy homemade all-natural limeade. This easy healthy summer drink recipe is perfect if you're craving something cool and refreshing. Step aside store-bought sugary sodas. Simple, nourishing, and deliciously refreshing, this is the perfect summer drink that you can enjoy any time of year. Crisp, clean, and completely free from artificial flavors, preservatives, and refined sugar. Served over ice, this vibrant thirst-quenching treat is as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. To start this recipe, I'm going to add 8 cups of water to a large pot and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, I'm going to cut 6 limes in half and add them to the pot. No need to juice and squeeze them right now. This super easy recipe takes almost no work on your part at all. I'm going to simmer the limes in the water for about 10 minutes. This is going to extract so much flavor power from the limes, not only from the juice inside, but from all of the fragrant, intense lime flavor in the oil of the skin. This is also going to make the inside of the limes super soft. So extracting all the juice is going to be quick and easy. Now I'm going to remove the pot from the heat, cover, and let the limes steep in the hot liquid. I'm going to let this whole thing sit and cool for about 30 minutes. Then I'm going to squeeze out the remaining juice left inside the limes. It's quick and easy to do this by hand now, no special juicer or equipment needed. Discard the leftover scraps of lime. And now I'm going to stir in 3/4 to 1 cup of honey. The amount will depend on how sweet you like your limeade. Stir to allow the honey to dissolve and melt into the liquid. I'm going to give this a stir and then strain the liquid through a sieve into a large pitcher. This will remove any unwanted seeds and lime pulp. If you do like some pulp in your limeade, make sure to add some back in. And now is the perfect time to give your limeade a taste. If you want it a little less intense, then add in a little water, and if you prefer yours with added sweetness, stir in a little more honey. I'm going to add ice to fill my pitcher and then chill in the fridge until ready to serve. Since this sunny summer drink is naturally sweetened with honey, you can feel good about serving this to family and friends. A bright and bold thirst quencher packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.